Hello friends, in today's video, we will learn 20 general knowledge multiple choice question and answer on fruits and vegetables. Are you ready? Well, let's start. Question number 1. The world's largest producer of bananas is option A India, B China, C Ecuador and D Philippines. The correct answer is India. India is the world's largest producer of bananas, producing around 30.5 million tons annually. India is also the world's largest consumer of bananas. Question number 2. Which vegetable has a variety called Sweet 100? Option A pepper, B eggplant, C tomato and D zucchini. The correct answer is tomato. The Sweet 100 is a type of indeterminate hybrid cherry tomato that's considered a vigorous grower with sweet, firm fruit. Question number 3. Most species of eucalyptus are native to which country? Option A Russia, B Australia, C Japan and D Brazil. The correct answer is Australia. There are more than 700 species of eucalyptus and most are native to Australia. A very small number are found in adjacent areas of New Geneva and Indonesia. Question number 4. King of temperate fruits is called option A pear, B peach, C kiwi and D apple. The correct answer is apple. Question number 5. Where was the kiwi fruit first grown? Option A Chile, B Australia, C China and D Japan. The correct answer is China. The kiwi fruit is native to China and has been grown there for many centuries. The first recorded description of the fruit dates back to the 12th century. During the Song dynasty, the original Chinese name for the kiwi fruit was Mi Hoyoto, which means macaque fruit. This name refers to monkey's fondness for the sweet fruit. Question number 6. Which fruit has seeds on the outside? Option A blueberry, B raspberry, C blackberry and D strawberry. The correct answer is strawberry. Strawberries are unique in that their seeds are located on the outside of the fruit. Strawberries are part of rose family and are technically aggregate fruits because they have more than one ovary. They are full of antioxidant and vitamin C. Question number 7. Which fruit is known as the king of fruits due to its strong odor and large size? Option A mango, B pineapple, C durian and D papaya. The correct answer is durian. The Southeast Asian plant durian has been called the king of fruits, but like marmite, it sharply divides, opening between those who love the taste of its custard-like pulp and those revolted by its putrid smell. Question number 8. Clove, the commonly used spice, is obtained from the option A fruit, B flower bud, C stem and D root. The correct answer is flower bud. Cloves are the aromatic dried flower buds of a tree in the family of Mytres. Cloves are native to the Maluku Island in Indonesia and used as a spice in cuisines all over the world. Question number 9. Which fruit contains an enzyme called bromelain which aid in digestion? Option A, pineapple, B, mango, C, papaya, and D, kiwi. The correct answer is pineapple. Pineapples contains bromelain, a group of enzymes that break down proteins into amino. Bromelain is found in the stem and fruit of the pineapple plant. Question number 10. Which state is the largest producer of fruits in India? Option A, Maharashtra, B, Andhra Pradesh, C, Tamil Nadu, and D, Madhya Pradesh. The correct answer is Andhra Pradesh. Question number 11. Which of the following fruits is a member of the berry family? Option A, strawberry, B, raspberry, C, tomato, and D, blackberry. The correct answer is tomato. Botanically, a tomato is classified as a berry because it develops from a single ovary and contains seeds. Question number 12. What is the primary pigment responsible for the red color of tomatoes and strawberries? Option A, chlorophyll, D, anthocyanin, C, beta carotene, and D, lycopene. The correct answer is lycopene. Question number 13. Which vegetable is known for its sulfur-containing compounds that benefit heart health? Option A, cucumber, B, carrot, C, garlic, and D, beetroot. The correct answer is garlic. Question number 14. In India, which state having maximum groundnut production? Option A, Gujarat, B, Karnataka, C, Tamil Nadu, and D, Andhra Pradesh. The correct answer is Gujarat. Gujarat is the largest producer of groundnuts in India. Other major producers includes Rajasthan, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, and Karnataka. Groundnuts are grown in both the Kharif and Rabi seasons, with the Kharif season accounting for more than 75% of total production. Question number 15. Which vegetable is known as broccoli rabe? Option A, kale, B, cabbage, C, rapili, and D, spinach. The correct answer is rapini. Broccoli rabe or rapini is leafy green vegetable with small broccoli-like florets. It belongs to the Brassica family, closely related to turnips rather than broccoli, known for its slightly bitter and earthy flavor. It's popular in Italian and Mediterranean cuisines. Question number 16. Which country is known for fish and chips? Option A, Australia, B, United Kingdom, C, Canada, and D, USA. The correct answer is United Kingdom. England is the country known for fish and chips, which originates there in the 19th century. It's often considered the national dish of the United Kingdom. Question number 17. Which fruit has the highest vitamin C content per 100 grams? Option A, orange, B, kiwi, C, lemon, and D, guava. The correct answer is guava. Question number 18. Which vegetable was historically known as love apples? Option A, tomato, B, potato, C, eggplant, and the bell pepper. The correct answer is tomato. When tomatoes were introduced to Europe in the 16th century, especially from the Americas, they were called pomme d'amour, French for love apple. Many Europeans believed tomatoes had aphrodisiac qualities, and their bright red, heart-like appearance added to the romantic association. Question number 19. Which fruit is known as Chinese gooseberry? Option A, lychee, B, kiwi, C, rambutan, and D, dragon fruit. The correct answer is kiwi. Question number 20. Aubergine is another name for which vegetable? Option A, eggplant, B, tomato, C, potato, and D, carrot. The correct answer is eggplant.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoy the video, please like, share and subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss out our latest videos.